Hello guys, today I will show you the coding of the question which has occurred in the Google Code Jam qualification round of 2016. The question was in that manner: we have to think a number, we have to go with its table till all the digits from 0 to 9 do not occur in its multiples. Then, oh, sorry, then we have to display the last multiple value when all the numbers from 0 to 9 occurs. I will show you one example. If we select 10, two examples. If we select 10 and 11, in 10 we will select 10, then its multiples are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 80, 90, 100, 110, and so on. So we have, what is the condition we want? If digits from 0 to 9 occurs in multiples, then we have to display the last multiple when all the digits occurs. So here 10, 1, 10, 1 and 0 digit is occurring, 1 and 0 digits have occurred, then 2 and 0, 0 again have occurred. At least once we want. So 1, 0, 0 and 1 are there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from 0 till 9 all have occurred. So it will display the last number 90 as its answer. We have to display 90 as last number as its answer. We don't want it sequence, it can be anything. First 9 can occur, then 5, 4, any sequence. It is not a particular sequence. And now take a second example. 11 ones are 11, 1 have occurred, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. So till from 1 to 0 all digits have occurred. So it will display the last number when all the digits from 0 to 9 have occurred. So it is 110 is the answer. So I will show you the coding of this. What I have did here: open with notepad. It is a counting shift question. So these are HTML head, all the basic syntax you JavaScript programmer must know. I have declared a function whose name is sleep in the head section and called it in the body section. So I will tell about the body first. Body, it contains a form whose name is F1. Then it contains a body contains a text, think a number and enter it. It is a text. Then a text box whose name is T1. Then it contains a text box whose name is T1. Then break, input type button will it contain button whose value is click here, and on clicking the button it will perform the function sleep function which I have declared in the head section. So see how it looks in the browser. Think a number and enter it, text box and a button whose value is click here. So this is the body part. Now I will tell you about the wait a minute, I will say to now I will tell you about the function, what I did in the function sleep function. Its name is sleep and variable temp. I will tell you later why I have declared it there. Temp variable x. Now x variable x is the value of the text box. And in document there is form 1 F1 in the body part. In form there is a T1. Text box name is T1. So T1's value means text box value. X is the document's form 1. T1 means text box value is x. So if we put 5 in the text box, then x is equal to 5. Now here if statement I have used, if x is equal to 0, alert insomnia. So if we put x value 0, if we think a number of 0, then its multiple will be only 0. 0 1 is 0, 0 2 is 0, 0 3 is 0. So we will not get other digits from between 1 to 9. So it is not possible to get all the digits from 0 to 9. So Google in core jam question, it told if it does not occur, then display insomnia. So I have did if x is equal to 0, if we put 0 value, then alert insomnia. Now looping, I have did looping for tables. For loop, for loop I have started with 2. For loop I is equal to 2. I will tell you why I started with 2. For loop I is equal to 2, I is less than equal to 10. 10 value is 2. Its in I is initial value is 2, so 2 is less than equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2, so condition is true. It will move further. So y, new variable has came into existence. Y is equal to x. X value is, suppose we take 5. Y is equal to 5 into its value is 2. I value 5 into 2 is 10. So here I will write y value is 10. Wait a minute. So I will write y value is 10 here. And document.f1.t1.value. So as I told you earlier, it is text box value. So text box value I put text box value equal to text box value initial value, means text box value is 5, because I have written 5 in the text box, assuming it 5 plus y value is 10 when I is equal to 2, so 10. So after merging, it will merge its value. I have assumed 5. Its value I have assumed 5 and y value is 10. So after merging, it will display 5 1 0. It means text box value will display 5 1 0. And I have taken a new variable m whose value is this document.f1. means text box value, which is 510. So when I is equal to 2, y value is 10, text box value will become 510, m value will become 510. Then I have written here something code 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. All these are variables whose values are m dot 1 is equal to m, means its index in this string or number, in this number, index of 1 means index value. Index of is the method of the string. So index of 1 return the index value. Index of 1 return the index value of 1 digit in that m value. Similarly, it will display the index value of 2 digit in the m value. Similarly 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. And I have declared if statement, if, and this is condition in which I have written if index value of 1 is greater than is equal to 0, and similarly if index value of all these are greater than is equal to 0, same condition I have put. If all these are if the index value of all the digits are greater than or equal to 0, then this alert will display. If you are good in JavaScript, then you will know what is index of, and it starts from the first character. Well, it starts from 0 and so on. So if you are a good JavaScript programmer, then you would know this index of function method. So if this condition is true, then it will display this alert. 1 is greater than or equal to 0 means this one digit should occur in that m value. One digit should occur in that m value. If it does not occurs, If 1 does not occur, then it will leave this and move to the else part. Else is temp is equal to I plus 1. So we will see m value is 510, m value is 510, 1 occurs, 0 occurs, 5 occurs. So 1 is greater than equal to 0 because 1 occurs in the m value, because 1 occurs in the m value. So this is true, but we want two digits also occur in that m value, and which is not there, so it is 510. So it will move to else part, because if condition is not satisfied, so it will move to else part. Temp is equal to I plus 1. Temp value I have temp is equal to I plus 1, and here I value is 2. Initial value is 2. 2 plus 1 3. Initially temp value was 2, now it has turned to 3, changed to 3. This alert will occur only if all the digits from 0 to 9 occurs in that number, and for that I have written this condition. Index value, if index value of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is not greater than or equal to 0, then it will not display the number last multiple which I have told you further in the question. If this condition is not true, then it will move to else part. Temp is equal to 2 plus 1 3. So temp value has changed to 3. Initially it was 2, now I have changed to 3. It is 10 to 3. So this, a JavaScript program already know it is post increment. So after looping it will increment by 1. It means 2 value will become 3. So 3 is less than equal to temp value is 3. So 3 is less than equal to 3. Yes, this condition is true. So again it will go in looping, and y value will become, afterwards y value will become, now y value will become 5 into 3, 15. When x is equal to, I is equal to 3. So y value will become 15 when I is equal to 3. Now again document.f1.t1.value will be equal to, means text box value will be equal to text box value which is already there, which is 510. After 5 its value is changed to 510, text box value is changed to 510. So this is now its value 510, and y value is now 15. Y is 15, so it will merge and become 51015, 5 then 10 then 15, merging, concatenation. Then m value will with this, now document dot means text box value will be m value. Now again it will check the index values of from 0 till 1, 1 till 0. If all the digits from 0 to 9 occurs in that m value, then only then this condition will be true, then it will display the alert, then it will display the alert. But we have seen that it contains 5, 1, 0, again 1 and 5, means only 3 digits it contains, 5, 1 and 0. So this condition is not satisfied, it will not display this alert. Again it will move to else part. Temp is equal to I plus 1. I value is now 3, so 3 plus 1 4. Temp value is 4. Now again it will go in looping. I will increment, it is 3, then it will become 4. I value 4, temp value has become also 4. So both are equal, condition is satisfied. It will move to further. Then y will become, y is equal to x into I. Y is equal to x into I. Again it will become, y value will become, now you have understood that it will multiply 5 into 4, it will be 20 when I is equal to 4. So and y is equal to 20 when x is equal to 4, sorry, I is equal to 4. So y value will become 20. Now document.f1 text box value will become, text box value is now this plus y value, which is 20. So now text box value will become 5, 10, 15, 20. This is the text box value. M is equal to, now m is the text box value, which is this. So again it will check index value of 0 to 1. Here index value of 5 is 0. Index value is assigned by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this manner. So 5 value is, index value of 5 is 0. So for 5 it is satisfied, for 1 it is satisfied because 1 occurs. Index value of 1 is 2, so it is greater than equal to 0. So this is satisfied. 0, for 0 it is satisfied, means for 10 this it is satisfied, for 2 it is satisfied, but 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 6 all the digits do not occur, so this condition is not satisfied. It will again move to else part. Temp is equal to I plus 1. Now I is 4, so temp value will become 4 plus 1 5. So temp is 5. So 5. Now again I will increment in this manner. It will go on and we will get y value 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. So I will write direct values. We will get 25, and we get 30, we will get 40, we will get 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 and 90. It will stop at 90. Why? I will tell you. Because this all the numbers will concatenate, that means it will merge. Maybe 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So this is the number. Text box number is this. It means n's value is this. Now it contains 5, 1, 0. I will write here which digits it contains. Then 5, then 1, then 0. 1 is again repeated, 1, 5, 2, 0, 2 is again repeated, 5, 3, 3, then 0, 3, 5, 4, then 0, 4, 5, 0, 5, 5, 6, then again 7, then 8, then 9. So now see here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the digits from 0 to 9 it contains. So at 90, so at multiple 90, this condition is satisfied. It means index value of all the digits from 0 to 9 are greater than equal to 0. So it will display this alert. It will display this alert. Alert the text total will sleep at y. Y is 90. Y value is 90 when this condition is satisfied. So it will display the text total will sleep at 90 if we think of number 5, x value is 5. So it will not move to else part because the condition is satisfied. So it will stop here and display the number 90 and 5. The text total will sleep at 90 if we think of number 5. So in this manner it will go on looping. If we do not take a variable temp, I have not told you about temp. If we do not take a variable temp, then what will happen? Let us see. I will cancel this and this also. First we'll take, it shows the same result or not. Yes, it shows the same result. The Blatrix daughter will sleep at 90 if we think of number 5.